Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed monovalent electropositive ions. Now, today, our class is bivalent electropositive ions. Bivalent electropositive ions. Bivalent electropositive ions. What is meant by bivalent electropositive ions? Okay, the ions, the metallic ions, the metallic ions are formed by donating two electrons, by donating two electrons to form metallic ions. The metallic ions are formed by donating two electrons, that is called bivalent electropositive from the outermost or the metallic ions are formed. The metallic ions are formed by donating two electrons from outermost orbit are called bivalent electropositive ions. Okay, the metallic ions are formed by donating two electrons from the outermost orbit are called bivalent electropositive ions. That is called bivalent. Bi means two. Bivalent electropositive ions. The metallic ions are formed by the donating two electrons from the outermost orbit are called bivalent electropositive ions. Now we have drawn a table of, we can see some bivalent electropositive ions. Name of the ion, symbol of the cation, charge. Name of the cation, symbol of the cation, charge. Okay, so we can say some cations. That means bivalent electropositive ions. Bivalent electropositive ions. first one, now beryllium, that means Be plus 2 and charge plus 2. Next one, magnesium, and third one, calcium, fourth one, strontium, and fifth one, barium, sixth one, radium, seventh one, copper, and eighth one, mercury. Some of the bivalent electropositive ions, beryllium, what is called? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, copper, mercury. So symbol of the cation, magnesium, it means Mg plus 2 and charge plus 2, Ca plus 2, charge plus 2, and strontium Sr plus 2, this is charge plus 2, and barium Ba plus 2, charge plus 2, and radium Ra plus 2 and Ra plus 2, charge plus 2, and copper Cu plus 2 and charge plus 2, and mercury Hg plus 2, charge plus 2. Okay, name of the cation, symbol of the cation, and charge. So you can see some bivalent electropositive ions, that is barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, copper, and mercury. So the symbol of the barium, Be plus 2, Mg plus 2, calcium, Ca plus 2, strontium, Sr plus 2, barium Ba plus 2, radium Ra plus 2, and copper Cu plus 2, mercury Hg plus 2. So we can see some more. These are 8. Now barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, copper, and mercury. Now another one, some more there, iron, nine, iron. Now chromium, cobalt, nickel, manganese, cadmium, zinc, lead, and tin. Iron, Fe plus 2, that means ferrous, charge plus 2, and chromium, Cr plus 2, charge plus 2, cobalt, Co, right, small o, Co plus 2, we have to write small notch. This is carbon monoxide CO, but this is big O. Find the difference. Write small o CO plus 2, nickel Na plus 2, and charge plus 2, manganese Mn plus 2, that is called manganese. Mn plus 2 is called manganese. Charge plus 2, and cadmium Cd plus 2, and zinc Zn plus 2, lead Pb plus 2. The Latin word of the lead, plumbum, that's Fb plus 2, tin stannous Sn plus 2, charge, this charge also plus 2, and is also plus 2. Okay. Iron Fe plus 2, that is ferrous, the charge is plus 2. Chromium Cr plus 2, cobalt Co plus 2. We should write O small. Co plus 2, nickel Na plus 2, manganese Mn plus 2 or manganese. What is the symbol of the cadmium? Mn plus 2, that is called manganese. Cadmium Cd plus 2, zinc Zn plus 2, lead, the Latin word of the lead, plumbum, that's why Fb plus 2, tin stannous, so Sn plus 2. So these are some more examples of the cadmium, that means bivalent electropositive ions. What is meant by bivalent electropositive ions? The metallic ions, by donating 2 electrons from the outermost orbit, are called bivalent electropositive ions. So you can see almost 17 cations, bivalent electropositive ion. That means cation is which ion has positive charge, that is called cation. So ion Fe plus 2, that means ferrous, chromium Cr plus 2, cobalt Co plus 2, nickel Na plus 2, and manganese Mn plus 2, that is manganese. The cadmium Cd plus 2, zinc Zn plus 2, lead Fb plus 2, and tin Sn plus 2. So these are the bivalent electropositive ions. That means the charge of the bivalent electropositive ions is plus 2. So this is the brief description of bivalent electropositive ions. Now trivalent electropositive ions. So what is meant by trivalent electropositive ions? The metallic ions form formed by the donating three electrons from the outermost orbit are called trivalent electropositive ions. trivalent electropositive ions. Okay, the metallic ions formed by the donating 3 electrons from the outermost orbit are called trivalent electropositive ions. 3 electrons should be 3 electrons should be donated by the outermost orbit are called trivalent. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. Trivalent electropositive ions. So 3 electrons should be donated by the outermost orbit to form the metallic ions are called, that means ions with cations. Cations are formed by donating 3 electrons. It is called trivalent electropositive ions. So we can see some trivalent electropositive ions. So make the table. Now name of the cation, name of the cation, symbol of the cation, and charge. Name of the cation. So we have to take some examples like iron and second one manganese, third one aluminium, and gold, antimony, and sixth one arsenic, and seventh one chromium, and seventh one cobalt, and ninth one boron. Okay, now name of the cation. So we can take some trivalent electropositive ions. Trivalent electropositive ions. So iron, manganese, aluminium, gold, antimony, arsenic, chromium, cobalt, and boron. The symbols of the cation. So Fe plus 3. So we wrote in bivalent electropositive ions Fe plus 2, that is called ferrous. Now write Fe plus 3, that is called ferric. Ferric or iron ring. The charge is plus 3. Now manganese. Manganese means Mn plus 3. Now we wrote Mn plus 2, that is called manganese. Mn plus 2 means manganese, but Mn plus 3 means manganic. That is charge plus 3. Now aluminium, Al plus 3. Now gold means Rm, that is Au plus 3. The Latin word of the gold Rm, Au. So Au plus 3, that is auric or gold. Next antimony. So As plus 3, antimony means the symbol of the antimony As plus 3, that is called chromium. The symbol of the antimony Sb plus 3, arsenic As plus 3 and chromium Cr plus 3 and cobalt Co plus 3 and boron B plus 3. So these are the trivalent: iron, manganese, aluminum, gold, antimony, arsenic, chromium, cobalt, boron. So the symbol of the cation of the iron Fe plus 3, that is called ferric. We know that Fe plus 2, that is called ferrous, and manganese Mn plus 3, that is manganese. We know that Mn plus 2, that is called manganese. So aluminum Al plus 3, gold, aurum, the Latin word of the gold, or Au plus 3, antimony, strontium, Sb plus 3, arsenic, As plus 3, and chromium, Cr plus 3, cobalt, Co plus 3, boron, B plus 3. So the charge of the cations plus 3 of everyone. These are the trivalent electropositive ions. Trivalent electropositive ions. Name of the cation: iron, manganese, aluminum, gold, antimony, arsenic, chromium, cobalt, and boron. So what is meant by trivalent electropositive ions? The metallic ions formed by donating 3 electrons from the outermost orbit are called trivalent electropositive ions. So all these are trivalent electropositive ions like iron, manganese, aluminum, gold, antimony, arsenic, chromium, cobalt, and boron. So all these, okay, the charge of trivalent positive electropositive ions is plus 3. Now done. Okay. Variable electropositive valency. Vary means change. Vary means change. So we have to found that by some experiments. Sometimes an atom of an element can can lose electrons from inner orbits in addition to losing electrons from outermost orbit. So okay, by the reason of variable electropositive valency. So variable electropositive valency means, okay, you can see iron. So you can see iron in Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Here iron bivalent electropositive ion. Here trivalent electropositive ions. So there is a variation in electropositive valency. So this is bivalent, this is trivalent. And chromium also, Cr plus 2 and Cr plus 3. So what is the reason behind that? Okay, an atom of an element can lose electrons from inner orbits in addition to losing electrons from outermost orbit. So it can lose some electrons from inner orbit in addition to losing the electrons from the outermost orbits. That is the reason that for variable electropositive valency. So it losing process is committed from inner orbits and outermost orbits also. Inner orbits and outermost orbits also. So that is the reason behind that for variable electropositive valency. For example, Fe an atom. So it can lose okay. For example, an atom of iron can lose 2 electrons from outermost orbit to form Fe plus 2. An atom of iron can lose 2 electrons from outermost orbit to form Fe plus 2. And under special experimental theory, Mendel, so it can lose 1 electron from penultimate or cell. That means last but one least. So that is called it to form Fe plus 3. Here 2 electrons, here 1 electron, total 3 electrons. Here Fe plus 3 bivalent, but here Fe plus 3 trivalent. So an atom of iron can lose 2 electrons from the outermost orbit to form Fe plus 3, Fe plus 2. Under special experimental theory, it can lose one more electron from the penultimate cell. That means last but one least. So to form Fe plus 3. So that's why you can see Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Fe plus 2 is called ferrous and Fe plus 3 is called ferric. So that's why you can see variable electropositive valency in some cations like Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3 and Cr plus 2 and Cr plus 3. So this is the class of the today. We can learn some more concepts by tomorrow.